Hi people, this time I have with me one kit that comes with the solderless plugs. A great upgrade over soldered wires on light strips. This is the plug itself. It has two openings, one for the micro light strip and the other one for the cables. First, introduce the two wires into the grooves. It's easy to identify which one is for the lights because it has two pointy pins instead two grooved metal channels for the cables. If you have the same cables as I have here, then make sure that the filaments are straight so all of them will sit into the grooves. Most of the kits will come with solder-coated terminals in order to make this step smoother. Once the cables are in the grooves, simply close the lock and that's it. Now I'm trying to remove the double-sided tape that comes in some light strips. If you're not going to tape the strip into something, I recommend you to remove it completely. This step is pretty straightforward. Make sure the orientation. The metal terminals should be facing the connectors in order to work. And that's pretty much it. The lights are ready to be mounted in the car. This is just a bonus. I'll show you how to insert the lights into the bar where it belongs to. Please note that the process is the same for all types of plastic light bar channels. Some of you asked about the excess of light strip. What do? There are two options. First, you can simply cut the light bar to size with some pliers or scissors. The lights have some marks every certain distance where you can cut it. The removed part can be reused. The second technique is to add some heat shrink or black tape right where the bar ends up to the solderless connector in order to cover the light and make it look like just a cable. Here you can see how easy it is to remove the light bar or the cable from the connector if you want to fix, replace, or change the light bar.